Hey, let's get your agent set up. First, you pick your goal. Then, select the platforms associated to your agent. Then hit continue. Now, how hands-on do you want to be? You want to go full autonomous or you want to go co-pilot? Tell the agent a little bit more about your goal, your business, your personal brand. When you're ready, hit continue. Now you connect the social. You will be redirected and you can pick from Threads, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Blue Sky, Mastodon, you pick. Now we're ready. You will see that you have 2 agents that are associated to your socials and that are ready to get started working. Now we're only missing to add your voice. Enter your website so it can scan your brand. You will get a full overview of your brand and the idea behind the content that's going to be getting published with the agent. You can also pick a favorite creator. If you like the content of Alex Hermosi or Mark Lou, for example, you can add them so the agent can reference the layout, the style of these creators. Once you're ready, hit continue. Now that we got our voice, our socials connected, and our agent, let's get it started. Now you will see your agents running. In the chatbot interface, you decide. You can pick to create a new job, create new posts, and right here, you can go from dismiss, approve, or edit content. And that's it. Happy publishing.